Hey there, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today I have something fun for anyone who loves capturing big moments in a small package. We are talking about the best action camera, the SJ Cam Cam 4 action camera. It is made to be simple to use, tough enough for messy days, and sharp enough to make your videos look clean and clear. Let's get started. The SJ Cam Cam 4 action camera is all about giving you options without feeling complicated. Right away, the dual screen setup changes how easy it is to shoot. On the back, you get a 2.33-inch touchscreen, so settings feel quick and natural. Tap, swipe, adjust, and you are ready. Then on the front, there's a 1.3-inch display, which makes framing yourself much easier. If you do selfies, vlogs, or just want to be sure you are centered, that front screen saves you from guessing and doing 10 retakes. Another feature that makes the SJ Cam 4 action camera feel more flexible is the dedicated remote control. It lets you start recording or snap a photo without touching the camera. That means you can keep your shot steady, keep your hands where they need to be, and still capture the moment right on time. It is also great when you want to set the camera up and control it from a distance without walking back and forth to press buttons. Let's talk durability, because action cameras need to handle more than a quiet desk. The SJ Cam Cam 4 action camera is waterproof down to 5 meters without any case, so if you get caught in rain, deal with splashes, or want poolside clips, you do not have to panic. And when you want to go deeper, SJ Cam includes a waterproof housing that takes it down to 30 meters. That extra protection opens the door to underwater footage while keeping the camera safe and sealed. Smooth video is another big deal, especially when the camera's moving. SJ Cam adds 6-axis gyro stabilization in the Cam 4, which helps reduce shakes and bumps. The result is footage that looks more steady and easier to watch, instead of feeling jumpy and rough. It is one of those things you notice right away when you play your clips back. Now for video quality, the SJ Cam Cam 4 action camera gives you several recording choices depending on the look you want. You can shoot 4K at 30 frames per second for sharp, detailed video. You can also go with 2K at 60 frames per second when you want smoother motion. And if you love slow motion moments, 1080p at 120 frames per second gives you that cool, dramatic effect while still keeping a clear picture. All of this comes in a compact body that is easy to pack and easy to mount, with a design that feels ready for action but still simple enough for everyday filming. Here is the bottom line. This little camera packs a lot of control into a small space. Check the price link in the description, and if this helped, like and subscribe to Budget Buying. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.